Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel, Choices with Sally. So for this video, I will be doing two unboxing videos. They're just one product each. I got it from Influenster. If you don't know what Influencer is, it's a company that sends you products for free. All you have to do is sometimes post or just review on their website. So before we begin, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you've tried Influencer, let me know down in the comments. What do you think about them? And if you haven't, I'll put my link down below so you guys can sign up and try it for yourselves. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so they sent me two boxes. They each have one product in it each. That's why I waited. So I wasn't just going to do an unboxing for one box. So of course we're going to go with the pink box first because it just looks so much fun. It is from Benefits. Super excited about this product. Been wanting to try it. I've heard a lot about it. It is their Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. I don't know why I read that like that, but I did. Take out of the packaging if I can. And this is what it looks like. It's like a magic wand. So this front part is the actual pencil. You can see that. And then this part is the brush for your brows. I've never tried Benefits before. I usually use It Cosmetics. I'm really excited about this. So a little bit more about it. They give me any information. They say that it's a volumizing fiber eyebrow pencil. It's worth $25. It's the first brow pencil with powder and fibers, which is really interesting. Natural looking texture and fullness. Available in 12 shades. These are the 12 shades that's available in. So see if anybody has their hair that matches that. So it's really interesting. I would love to try it. It's brand new. It's one of their newest products that just came out, but whenever I post this, it'll probably be out for like, I don't know, a month or two, because right now it is the end of August. So yeah, the next product that I received, it just says Influencer on it, so I was very confused. I was like, I don't know what it is, but it is from Tula Skincare. It is their Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment. As you can see, take out of the box, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I really like the packaging of this. Tula always has really nice packaging, so that's super exciting. And it is a cream that smells really good. It says, take care of your skin while you sleep. Our most potent treatment combines probiotic extracts. Guys, I love probiotics. So I have diabetes, and I just been taking a lot of probiotics like for my tummy area, because when you have diabetes you have a lot of limitations on what you can eat, and taking probiotics, especially for women with diabetes, is really beneficial. It helps solve a lot of the situations that happen with women who have diabetes. So if you have diabetes or are pre-diabetic or know someone who has diabetes, definitely take probiotics, because it's going to help you in so many ways. But anyways, so every time I see something with probiotic, I get super excited because I love probiotics. Like, it has been my new staple ever since I've been diagnosed with diabetes. Like, probiotics has been my thing. So now that the skincare has probiotics, I'm like, okay, like, I don't know how that's going to benefit, but probiotics are really beneficial for you in general. You guys can go Google it, the benefits of probiotics. Enough of my rant on that. It has AHAs and vitamin C to target signs of premature aging, smooth the appearance of wrinkles, and improves the look of tone and texture, all while you sleep. So I'm super excited about this. I will be maybe making a reel on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is Chrissy7. If you want to follow me on TikTok, it's Chrissy77. Don't follow the Chrissy7. I lost my login for that, and for some reason TikTok didn't want to let me log in again, so I had to make a whole new one. I don't like when my social media handles are not consistently the same name, but whatever. But this is really great, and I'm gonna definitely try them out. It is clean and effective, ageless overnight repair treatment. So these are the two products I received from Influencer. Didn't come with much information on this, which usually comes with a little like booklet, or I mean not booklet, but you know, like one of these little thingies, but this one didn't come with that. Oh, here we go. Even though I read the ingredients, you guys want to pause and read that. Pause and read that. And then if you want to pause and read that. But overall, it's going to be a very short video. A lot of me ranting about diabetes. But definitely, I'm really excited to try this out, and I cannot wait. And this pencil, I cannot wait to try it. It looks amazing, and like I said, I only use It Cosmetics, so watch out, It Cosmetics. I'm going to be trying the benefit, see if I like this. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you haven't tried Influencer yet, I'll put the link down below so you guys can try them out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And please, please, please stay safe out there. Bye now.